Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope each and every one of you is doing fine. So my today's video is heavily influenced by my love for nature and plants. And why not so? Because I think each one of us love being around nature and it is something that all of us actually enjoy. To bring some part of nature into my room, I thought why not do it with something that I absolutely love. So one plant in particular that also has flowers on it is Lotus, but since it requires some sort of climatic conditions and good maintenance, it has never been possible for me. So I thought why not replicate it with paper and which gives the same feels and requires no maintenance at all. So if you want to know how to make paper lotuses at home, basically a whole planter that can also act as a centerpiece, then watch this video to the end and you will know how. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
To start off, I'm using a duplex paper in a light pink shade with edges that are mildly green. Since this is a 25 centimeters in width, I'm going to cut it into half, which is about 12.5 centimeters, and then further cut about 16 strips, each of which is about 12.5 to 5 centimeters in size. You need exactly 16 strips to make 16 petals that eventually will turn into one flower. Next, turn each strip into half and use your scissor to cut a petal-like shape. To ensure there is symmetry, the fold is important. Open the petal and place a thin silver wire in the middle of the petal and use glue to stick it like shown in the video. Make sure you stick these properly because sometimes while bending the petals, these wires tend to come out. When slightly dry, stretch the paper to give it a petal-like shape. Similarly, you have to make about 16 petals in the same way. Now, to make the stem, I'm using two aluminium wires which are coiled together to give extra strength. Take tissue paper and open it up to a decent length and then fold it into half and then again fold it into half. Use your scissor to cut the tissue right from the center so that we have two pieces. Use the first tissue and turn its 1/3 part inside and secure with glue. Now use your glue gun and slowly twirl the tissue on top of the wire until it takes a cylindrical shape. Use the other piece and roll it on the top of the existing tissue and secure it with glue. Once done, take a long strip of a rather yellow orangish toned duplex paper and stretch it nicely and again roll it on top of the tissue paper layer. Now, use a white thread right in the middle and tightly make a knot and cut the excess thread. Once done, use scissor to trim the unwanted lower region of the stem. Now use duplex paper used in the beginning to make petals to cover the top part and then cut the excess. Use another long strip to make the last layer and then use glue gun to make dots on top of this part to give it an illusion of seeds. Start sticking all the petals one by one in an alternative pattern. Once the flower is complete, use a 7 mm plastic pipe to cover the aluminium wire and use flower tape to cover the pipe until it's completely invisible. Coming to the leaves, use a green duplex sheet of the same size and cut about 10 triangles of size shown. Try to achieve the same shape. Measurements in this case won't matter much. Once you have 10 separate pieces, use glue to stick each piece to other using a flower wire and glue gun. Repeat the process until all the pieces form a circle type structure and eventually stick the last piece back to the first one. Slightly mold the wires into a round shape and the paper itself will take the shape. Once done, use scissors to even out the edges and lastly, stretch the sheet to give a spiral effect. There you go. The flowers and the leaves are done. Don't forget to add the stem to each piece you make. I made about 5 to 6 leaves and about 5 flowers and then used my glue gun to stick the stems inside a cement pot. piece needs to stick properly, and there you have it, a paper lotus planter.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you all. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down your views below how you would do it differently, and also share this with your friends and family who might actually like this video. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon just in case you want to get notified every time I put up a new video. Thank you so much for watching again. If you want to follow me on my social media handles, they are provided in the description box below. The same video is available in a 60-second format on Reels on my Instagram page, so you can check that out as well. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. See you soon.